with my initiative so far and the records and all of these fancy things, I've been successfully able to make over 1.5 million students take up math games on a weekly basis. And
I thought you were just going to say, I have been able to make 1.5 million. You're like, fuck, that's a lot. No, students. He's saying students. It's okay.
That's some Genghis Khan level shit.
Bhanu, if I can ask this, I'm just curious about something, the human aspect of like how competitive is the mathematician's world? Like, are there like people around you like ऐसे एकदम trying to rig you कि ऐसे जिस दिन competition, जिस दिन calculation दिखाना उससे पहले ऐसे शराब पिला के ऐसे burn करने की कोशिश कर? Is it like जैसे like if it would be like a typical masala pot boiler film, or is it very competitive, and is it that, or is it relatively let's help each other wala scene?
Before you answer, Abhijit, is that what you do with comedians?
No, I don't, but I'm pretty sure if there's a movie that happens around comedy, कुछ तो ऐसा होगा कि एक jealous comedian ऐसे कुछ ऐसे उसमें डाल रहा है उसके,
ये like कि मेरे lineup में मेरे बाद उसका performance है तो मैं उसके अंदर कुछ डाल दूँ उसको. Is that what? But I would like just stop.
I'm just asking about a movie perspective.
No, but really though, they are very competitive and very reserved in their own sense. I'll tell you, the first people who will say कि तू कुछ नहीं कर रहा बे are mathematicians. So that's because, and I'll tell you the standard line which every mathematician across the world uses: arithmetic and calculations are not mathematics. Bhanu, let's see if you can do calculus. That's the kind of, let's say, responses and emails I get every once in a while, which is, can you break this world record? World record is fine. Can you create new Ramanujan, this, whatever? I'm like, okay.
Okay. Bhanu, I have one slightly serious question. This is a little more serious. So what foods can you take that improve your mathematics skills? Like lady's finger? Is this a myth or a fact?
Amazing question.
First of all, it's not called lady's finger, bro. It's lady finger. Lady's finger.
I'm not talking about the vegetable.
Oh.
Yeah. So,
Nice.
I don't really know, but I have gotten the bhindi joke a lot. I've been tagged in multiple pages where people say कि अच्छा bhindi का कैसे बनो, and then there's my photo. So that I've seen a lot, but I don't think there's anything particular that way.
Dude, इसको तो बाद में Horlicks Bonvita वाले will lap him up, no? कि ऐसे you want to be like him, like ऐसे Horlicks लो, Bonvita लो, ये सारा पूरा होगा. Like so many ऐसे
Taller, sharper, stronger.
I hope they call me as the before. He's the after, and they should pay me to be the before guy.
Dude, let's do this. Whatever calculations Bhanu would be doing, पहले नवीन से भी कराएंगे.
बिल्कुल कराएंगे.
It's very interesting. I feel a little noob here because I have only heard of maths as a subject. This is the first time I'm hearing of maths as a sport. And I never knew it could be like a career option where you could make your living out of it. I mean, I have one last question.
No, in context, magicians and comedians say that math में भी कुछ कर सकते हैं, future में career बनाते हैं.
But it's very interesting here.
If you guys are up for it, just a couple of really small math games and questions. I'll actually share my screen and do that. So if you would want to,
you were saying?
No, just among yourself, two of you in a team.
You can just humiliate us in easier ways.
Yeah, man. Please, why?
This is going to be fun, and I think that's the whole point of this, right? It's going to be fun because it's going to be very easy. It's going to be pretty easy.
I'll tell you what, I'm going to when you see me, it's going to look like I'm thinking, but really I'm spacing out. I'm pretending to put in effort. I'm like, why?
You know what we'll do, Naveen? The moment he asks the question, we'll just take freeze screen and we'll pretend our Wi-Fi is not working.
Are we in teams?
Yeah, it should be in teams because at least one of you can get it right. So, yeah.
You have too much confidence on it.
I love how he says these sentences without realizing. At least one of us to get it right. I'll break the world record. And before that, I'll just amuse you dummies.
Okay, sure. Go ahead.
But we're shouting it out, right?
Should I start that again?
$51.
45.
51.
Who says 45? Is it?
Naveen said 45.
Who said that, dude? Some guy came and... What 45 bananas you want me to buy? I'll buy. Dude, somebody was.
What I want you to do is at the same time, you try to talk to me, right? Ask me.
And do a slower frame rate if you want. Slower frame rate.
Yeah, I'll do that. I'll probably do that. And cool, I think that should be enough. No problem. So, Abhijit, you can talk to me about anything. We'll start off the conversation and then I'll start the calculation.
Start. Bhanu, have you been in a relationship and how was it?
It was great. It was a while ago. So yeah, it went well.
And it's going on still?
Not yet. Not
and do you like anybody right now?
Yeah, I think so. Probably someone watching this right now. 465.
55.
Bhanu, that's no way to ask me out. Bhanu.
That's impressive.
What's the right way?
Wow.
That's impressive. You know what would be amazing? We can do a stream later on in which every time he does like tougher ones and has a shot in between. And when does he start getting it wrong? That'll be like a brilliant ki kitna kam hone pe kitna ho raha hai. Or have you tried something like that?
In fact, this is something which people in my college always like say wanted me to do and did it. We did it a long time. It's like, okay, again, I'm 21 now, so let's assume that I was 21 then. So when I was
Bhanu, again, and note, please don't keep telling your age.
Yeah, exactly. He just puts
don't
it on our
your age.
face every time. 21. Don't stop doing that.
Stop. Yeah, it's
when you were born, I was failing in advanced calculus in my college. When you were born.
So,
what is the record you're planning to break?
So the record is about adding a 2-digit number to itself as quickly as possible. So say the 2-digit number is 23. I add 23s to 23s quickly and I say the answers out. My current world record is to do it 40 times in 15 seconds.
Dude, I remember as a child, like somebody like you only came to my school and talked about this kind of stuff. And they showed all these calculative methods, I guess the quick math stuff. And I just left feeling stupider actually, because the smart kids were getting faster than they already were. And I do this joke in my first special. I say, that's how stupid I thought I was when I used to count with fingers. And one of these smart kids, he's like, you ask me any numbers, I can addify it. And I was like trying to think of the biggest numbers I could think of as a child. And I was like, what's 2000 plus 2000? He's like 4000. I'm like, wow, how fast? So good. I'm really happy for you.
How much of it need to be mentally in a right space? Like उसे एक दिन पहले झगड़ा हो गया है, किसी से कुछ हो गया, or something like that, or it doesn't matter right now. This comes.
Yeah, he looks so chill. He's like, पहले तुम लोगों को intimidate कर लेते हैं, पहले तुम लोगों से stupid वाले.
Yeah, अरे जब stream start हो रहा था, the way he said only, so guys, I will make you do some tricks and then I'll break the world record.
Yeah, just casually. He'll be like, so first we'll eat some budgie, then we'll break world record. I'm like, don't say casual things before.
I think you are pretty cool because even if you're losing to yourself. You have to break somebody else's record, probably there may be little tension at least. But why are you so cool? How are you so cool? And it's really, respect, really. Yeah,
I'm super excited. Everybody in the chat, you should just like spam some hearts. Like just make the entire chat go red. Show some love and encouragement.
Throw positive vibes.
Yeah. I'm very excited right now. I'm like, dude, you not understand. I've built up to. I think I have built it up to much bigger in my head also. Like it's just.
Small disclaimer before you. I'm sorry if I don't give you standing ovation because I'm in my boxes. But apart from that, my huge respect.
Okay. Yeah. Good luck,
absolutely.
man. I can't wait to see you do this.
Best wishes. I'll give you the first number.
Cool. Go ahead, Praveen. Yeah.
Go ahead, Praveen.
I'll give my birth date. 26.
26.
Yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. And go. 26, 52, 78, 104, 130, 156, 182, 290, 234, 260, 286, 312, 338, 364, 390, 406, 442, 468, 494, 520, 546, 572, 598, 624, 650, 676, 702, 728, 754, 780, 806, 832, 850, 884, 910, 936, 962, 988, 1014, 1040. Okay. That's exactly 40 times, matching my previous record.
You counted how many times?
What just happened now?
That was 26. Table all the way. Bolo. Yes, I'm here.
87.
Okay. This might be a little put off. Let's see. 87, 134, 251, 348, 435, 522, 609, 696, 783, 870, 957, 1044, 1131, 1218, 1305, 139, 147, 156, 155, 1240, 187, 1914, 2001, 2088, 2175, 2262, 2349, 2436, 2513, 2610, 2697, 2784, 2780, 2871, 2958. That was 36 times. A little lesser. But the logical reason to it is that it gets into 4 digits quickly. So I have more to say.
I'm gonna go with 34.
Okay, let's just wait for a second. Cool. 3, 2, 1, go. 34, 68, 102, 136, 130, 204, 238, 270, 260, 43, 34, 404, 442, 436, 510, 544, 578, 612, 646, 680, 714, 748, 782, 816, 850, 884, 918, 952, 986, 1020, 1054, 1088, 1122, 1156, 1124, 1258, 1292, 1326, 1360, 1364, 1428. 1428.
Yeah.
That is 42 times.
Wow.
Yeah.
Is it right? Was the answer right?
That breaks. Yeah,
Yes.
1428. You can do it.
Wait,
1428 divided by.
Nice.
You can divide that by
142.
34. Show us how many times that is.
42. Wow. Wow.
Nice.
And yeah, that should be the breaking of a world record, which has been there for a long time. So
Awesome. Congratulations, man. Congratulations.
So Naveen,
We're so awestruck by-
you
yeah.
encouraged him to do that. It's your number
Yeah,
that made
feel-
him take the world record.
I want to
Wow.
tell my
That's
kids, dude.
amazing.
43 multiplied by 6. And this is something which you all would have probably understood, that 43 into 6 is nothing but 40 into 6 plus
40
3
into
into 6.
3. Ah, yeah, 40. Yeah.
Pretty easy. But this itself is hard to do, right? What is 40 into 6 to 40? But is that something which we get very naturally? 240 and 18, right? That's what it's going to be. 40 into 6, 3 into 6. But if you look at this, the 0 here is doing no good. I mean, it's irrelevant. The way in which I would do it is that you go 6 into 4. Can you say that out loud? What is 6 into 4? Suhani,
24.
24. What is 3 into 6?
18.
Okay. All I want you to do is just add these in between.
Oh, 258.
Yes. And this is not a trick here, because essentially when we were doing the other thing, we were doing the same thing, which is we were adding 4 and 1.
Oh, yeah.
It was there. It was in front of us. It's just that we were giving an importance to the 0 and we were getting late at it.
Let's do another number, yeah.
Yeah. 63 times...
Praveen, you keep quiet, okay? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna... Let's... Yeah.
We'll learn. He muted Praveen.
क्या करें?
He muted Praveen. You have no trust that Praveen will keep quiet. He's like, so mute ही कर दो.
It's good to be excited about math.
You're just being Arnab Goswami. I'm just telling you, okay?